KLA Corporation was founded in Milpitas, California, United States in 1976. And for close to 20 years, we have had engineering operations out of Chennai. Now, I've been involved in chip design for close to 15 years now. But when KLA approached me and spoke to me, I actually spoke to a few people and tried to see what the technology behind this was, and I was fascinated. The kind of complexity that's involved, the cross-divisional engineering effort that's involved, and the deep technology R&D that's involved to do this kind of manufacturing is really mind-blowing. And it was not just the technology itself, but the fact that KLA, for close to now 50 years, has been doing differentiated solutions that give us the edge really attracted me. So I joined KLA about 3 years ago, and here I am having the best time of my career to start the Artificial Intelligence Advanced Computing Lab based out of IIT Madras Research Park. I myself am alumnus from IIT Madras, and when I joined KLA, I learned that we had already been conducting significant amount of research with IIT Madras. And after our starting over here, we've been able to increase that engagement in addition to hiring significantly out of IIT Madras for both internships and for full-time hiring. So my lab's mission is to enable KLA to leverage artificial intelligence and advanced high-performance computing solutions in its tools. As we enter the angstrom era in manufacturing, it's becoming really difficult to find the intricate faults that KLA wants to identify. For this, we already have been leveraging AI and HPC in our solutions, and my lab's mission is to look forward and to ensure that we continue our technology leadership in this space. KLA has been working closely with IIT Madras for several years now. Through our presence in IIT Madras Research Park, we've been able to increase our collaboration with the faculty of IIT Madras and also hire both interns and full-time employees from IIT Madras through the various campus placements. We also have been able to give back to IIT Madras by the fact that we go and expose them to some of the greatest problems and latest problems that are available in the industry for them to tackle. We have had a really good relation, a symbiotic relationship with IIT Madras for the last 3 years, and we look forward to continuing this as we move in the future. So to me, it became very clear when I was doing my BTech at IIT Madras that I was a computing geek. And this was further reinforced when I did my PhD in the US, where I knew that as I interacted with some of the stalwarts in this field, that I had to find a space which really fed my quest for knowledge and really kept technology and passion for technology above all else. I've had a few hops in my career, and I've been fortunate that this has been the main compass steering my ship of choice of my career path. And when I joined KLA, I was very excited to see the kind of passion for technology that was portrayed to me. Now that I've been here for 3 years, I dare say that I've not seen this passion anywhere else, and that's what has really enabled me to enjoy my time at KLA, and that's the compass that I've been using for my decisions. Semiconductor manufacturing is a fascinating world. As I mentioned, I've been working in the semiconductor space for about 15 years. For the first 10 to 12 years, I was primarily involved in design, where I would work for different companies designing semiconductors. But when I joined KLA is when I realized that this is like a wonderful new world which really encompasses all types of engineering, whether it be physics, chemistry, mechanical engineering, optics, and of course, computing at its very fundamental. Now, semiconductor manufacturing is becoming even more important with several missions, including India, which is looking to significantly increase the semiconductor manufacturing happening in our country. And with semiconductor industry expected to become a $1 trillion industry by the end of this decade, I think that it's a fascinating new phase for people to join in and a great new world for people to try to work towards. KLA is a portfolio company that has hundreds of products that span the entire semiconductor manufacturing cycle, starting from inspecting unpatterned wafers to literally every step of the hundreds of steps involved in patterning a wafer, to post-manufacturing dice inspection, assembly, package testing, and PCB. All these technologies have been going through a revolution, whether it be from logic going to new technologies such as gate-all-around or 3D NAND, or to die stack DRAM, HBM, and all kinds of technologies for which KLA has been devising solutions in its products that it's been leveraging. Specifically, we have been releasing several new solutions that are software focused that enable us to aggregate solutions across inspection, metrology, and different process tools to give us differentiated solutions. So these really are the culmination of years of R&D that KLA has been doing, and these are new solutions that KLA has been releasing in the market that my team has been supporting. So no 2 days in my life at KLA are the same. Every day is very unique. But the thing that is very unique for me that I really enjoy is, despite being a director for KLA and having a fairly large team that reports into me, I have a significant amount of my own time where I do my own work. So I spend that time either listening to talks or reading research papers or just thinking about solutions, problems that need to be solved. And in addition to this, on a day-to-day basis, I work pretty extensively with both my team and the larger KLA community that's located in Chennai and across the world. In addition to talking to multiple academics with whom I do active research, collaborating with them or reviewing papers for them or attending conferences. One of KLA's values is HFC, which stands for honest, forthright, consistency, in which we believe that as a value for the company, you have to bring out problems to the open and you have to discuss them very honestly such that you resolve them in a very acceptable way to the entire group. And you shouldn't walk away from a meeting having hard feelings or disagreements which are not voiced out. As a manager who runs a fairly technically detailed team, I believe that this value is something unique that I bring to the team, where both me and the folks that I work for strongly believe that the mode of communication for us should be HFC, where if we have a disagreement, we bring it to the table and we talk about it. And that's a unique value that I'm very proud to possess and that I'm very proud that my team follows as well.